how's your day, guys? So today we're gonna be creating a makeup look. You probably noticed I'm not wearing makeup at all at the moment, just my brows is done. So I am a little bit tired of wearing every day the plain black eyeliner, so I thought I'm gonna do a little bit of a twist and mix a blue and black in one and do like an ombre look. So this video gonna be like super short and sweet and quick. So we're gonna start with prepping eyes. I did that already, so I used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C3, and then I set it up with e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder in clear. My eyes are really hooded. If you follow my channel, you'll know this already. So before I'm gonna jump in with the eyeliner, I'm gonna prep my eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit of a shadow on it to make my eyes appear a bit more awake and bigger. So I'm gonna start with the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and I'm gonna take this light warm beige color and go in slightly bit higher when my crease is. So I just want to give a little bit of a definition to my eyes before I'm gonna jump in with the eyeliner. So next thing I'm doing, I'm just gonna use my finger and apply this light sandy color all over my mobile lid. I don't want it to be too bright or too light, just a tiny bit of a color. Taking this slightly bit darker color and gonna go on my outer corners just a tiny bit, just to do that V shape. So for the eyeliner today, I'm gonna be using NYX eyeliner. So I'm gonna use black one NYX matte liquid liner, and then for a blue, I'm gonna use a NYX Vivid Brights, how do I pronounce it? I'm not sure. In the Sapphire. So these two eyeliners. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go very close to my eyelashes from the inner eye corner to the outer corner to the middle also. So I'm gonna jump in and do exactly the same on this eye with the eyeliner and get back to you. So the next step is to apply the mascara or the falsies. It's completely up to you, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna go with the falsies as I feel like I wanna that bigger lash effect. It's totally up to you. You can just go with mascara if that's what you feel like. But I'm gonna go with the Azaredo Cosmetics falsies in the style Vixen. And the lashes are on. The lashes make such a big difference, isn't it, guys? Like the eye straight away looks more lifted now. Alright, so next thing we're gonna apply a little bit of the face primer, the foundation, set it all up, and then finish off the eyes. So this is what I'm gonna do now, guys. So while the foundation is setting in, my face still looks a little bit whiter, but this Urban Decay All Nighter foundation tends to oxidize, so it's gonna definitely get a little bit darker, and I'm gonna contour with a powder contour later on. So it's not gonna be as white as it might look now. So while it's all setting in, I want to apply a little bit of an eyeshadow on my lower lash line and the mascara, obviously. So I'm gonna come back to this Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette, and I'm going with this light beige color. And for the mascara, I'm just gonna go with NYX Worth a Hype mascara. I actually applied it on my lashes as well to blend in with the falsies. I just forgot to mention that, sorry. So to contour my face, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Flush and Native palette, and then to highlight, I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills Ultimate Glow Kit. thank you so much for spending your time and watching this quick eyeliner tutorial. I personally really like this little pop of color, and your black eyeliner is not as boring as, you know, just a plain black eyeliner. Although there's nothing wrong with a plain black eyeliner, but I feel like a little tiny pop of the color makes it look a bit nicer and more summery-like-ish. Because I mean, in summertime, you know, why not to have a little bit of a color on your eyelids, isn't it? So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick tutorial. I promise this is super easy. It doesn't involve much techniques or anything. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If so, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of it, if you're gonna go and recreate it, and if you like it. And yeah, I'll go wait to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Ciao.